Hello and welcome. This is Cheryl. I've got a bit of a different video for you. I ordered the Black Friday Simon Says Stamp Crafty Parcel Surprise Craft Box, and I decided to unbox it for the camera and share with you what was in it. I always enjoy watching these videos when other people do them, and I thought maybe it'd be fun to share. So without further ado, this is what was in the package. These items here were other items I ordered with it, so that wasn't part of it. But everything under here was their crafty box. So it was just a Black Friday special. I'm sure they're all sold out by now. There was a very limited amount, but it was $300 worth of stuff for $60 or $59.99. So there is a set of, this is the holiday set 3 of the Distress mica crayons. Love. And these ones here, I already have these, but I always love having backups. So they're the Distress mica sprays. There is, I can't tell which set these ones are, but there's Fortune Teller, Wicked Elixir, and Decade on this one. Bubbling Cauldron, Crooked Broomstick, and Hocus Pocus in that one. So that's fun. I think everything else, I've taken a little peek. Oh no, this one here. I've already got this one here, which is Abandoned Coral Distress Glaze. Actually, no, I don't think I have that color, which is another awesome thing. Everything else is stuff that's new to me, and I can't wait to play with all of this stuff, really. So some Tim Holtz Adornments, the ribbons and bows. Love, love, love. Some really pretty satin ribbon. Paper tray. It's a pretty color. Simon Says Stamp Crafty Tacky Glue. 2 Pawsitively Saturated ink pads, and I can't wait to try those. I haven't tried their ink pads before. Love memory box dies. This little bridge is absolutely adorable. So cute. A small pocket note die and a large pocket note die. I'll put a link in the description to Simon Says Stamp's website. I'm not one of their affiliates. One day I hope to be, but not yet. But they've got some amazing stuff on their site. So great background stamp. This one's called Sugar Rush. That one's perfect for the holidays. Look at all of those candies on there. This would be even a cool one for birthday cards. Like a kid's birthday card. I think that would be so fun. This one's called Star to Star. Again, can't wait to play with that one. This one for Christmas would be cool, but I think even like a graduation card or something like that would be awesome as well. So excited about this. This one I think would be gorgeous to color, and these scripts and fonts with it. Love that. So many different stamps in here. I cannot wait to play with that. Even just for this year, it's getting to be the point where it's a little bit too hard to make or too late to make cards to send out. But this would be great for just even holiday gift tags to put on things. Another gorgeous background stamp. This one's called Joyful Anemone. That is stunning. Again, another one that would be beautiful for coloring or even for watercolor, I think. Oh, Seashell Pocket Envelope Die Set. I live on an island by many beaches, and the beach is my favorite place, so I can't wait to play with this. That is awesome. Very cool. This is cool. This is called Love on a Line die set. That would even be perfect for Valentine's or wedding cards. Very cool. Graduation set. That one would be really cool on the top of the star background. Lots of great sentiments in there. Slimline greetings. Definitely Slimline for how long that is, but another great set. Lots of different sentiments for throughout the year on there. Foil and cut die set. This one's Intricate Daisies. As well as their site in the description. I'll put what all these are so you can go check them out. Again, it won't be affiliate links or anything. It'll just be if you see something you like and you want to go check it out, you can go to their site. This one's called Sketch Rosebud Bundle. These are foil and cut die sets. Can't wait to play with those. Haven't used their foiling sets before, but I absolutely love foiling and love when there's dies to match. This one's called Sketch Garden Flowers. Let's Connect. That's a great sentiment. I love when they have shadow dies to go with it. A Gemini die set. This one's called Grand Decor. And this says thanks, and it says friend. Oh, there we go. Birthday stamp set. This would be fun for birthday cards. Again, I love how many different sentiments are on here. That's awesome. Can never have enough sentiments. It's called Let's Celebrate. This one is Holiday Floral. Oh, this one's going to be another fun one. I love layering stamp sets. So that one is going to be great for, again, a little bit too late for cards, but for holiday tags, I think that one would be really fun to play with. Some nice sentiments with that as well. From me to you, Merry Christmas, wishing you a beautiful holiday. Enjoy the beauty of the season. So that was what was in my crafty box there. So if you love seeing what people get in these crafty boxes, I hope you enjoyed that. And I always find it fun to see exactly what is in all of these boxes, and I cannot wait to play with all of these goodies. It's going to take a while, I think, to get through all of them, but I absolutely can't wait. Thank you so much, Simon Says Stamp, for putting these boxes together and giving us surprises. This was really, really fun. It's one of the first surprise or grab box or thing like that I've ever bought. And I've always wondered what was in some of these things, but I've never actually bought one. But highly recommend it. So much fun to receive a box full of goodies like this. Love everything, and I cannot wait to play with it.